watch bands, different shape, design, different watches, different leather. The very often situation is when you have very nice leather, but this leather is very thick, so you cannot use it for a watch band. You need to split it, and this is where I decided to make my own design of splitter, leather splitter, and it has to be 3D printed in the main components. So here is the beast. Here is the beast. This is my splitter. This is ready up to 200. This may be too wide, but anyway, we are maximalists. So here is how it works. You have your leather, you put it in, and you push, pull. Okay, it was about 2.5 and now it is 1.5. Yeah, you can do different thickness, you can do different size, you can use it for different goods like wallets or anything else. So let me show you how to make one of those for yourself. Well, this is my 3D model. I'll start from printed components. There's two walls or two main supports which you have to 3D print, two long arms and two short arms. And there is a insert to push the roller up to the blade. This insert is actually designed to accommodate this roller, particular roller, but there will be some other designs, or there will be other variation of this insert to accommodate other type of rollers with different diameter of the shaft. Okay, so this is 3D printed things. Then everything else is purchased. Like there is a 3 rods in here, and last one is in here, this one, which is 5 mm diameter, and one rod is 8 mm diameter. This pressure here on top, which push the leather towards a roller, implemented or made with the 3 mm stainless steel rod. And next one will be roller. In this setup, I'm using 200 mm long and 33 mm diameter, 12 mm diameter shaft, double bearing roller. Is very solid. I will also post some links for different rollers you can purchase from there. And the blade, I'm using high-speed steel blade, which is 250 in length and 30 mm width and 3 mm thickness. 45 degree sharpen angle. This is all pre-made. It's actually used for a planers in woodworking. So there's plenty of different types of these blades. Each wall has a couple of bolts. There's 2 bolts M6, which is keeping the blade or fixing the blade to the wall. There is a one adjustment bolt, vertical one, M4, to adjust the position of the roller, and one bolt M4 as well to adjust position of the blade in regard to the center of the roller. Okay, there is 2 more M4 bolts, small one here, to keep the spring in position. Spring in total in this design, 2 from each side. One spring is pulling the long arm upward, and this movement transfer through this shaft and insert onto roller, which keep the roller in position and firmly, and then this adjustment bolt, as I mentioned before, will adjust the position or thickness of cut. Another spring here is pulling the small arm, and this movement again transferred through this pressure onto leather, and leather is laying or resting on the roller, which makes the cut also much smoother. One more thing I want to mention: this setup is based on 200 millimeter long roller, but it doesn't have to be this way. You can decide smaller sizes like 150, 100 or whatever, and it's up to you. Just you have to cut shafts in size in this regard, make this pressure a little bit smaller, and of course you need to purchase smaller size plate. I should say probably it will be more rigid if roller is smaller size. Well, we can start assembling. Well, parts are 3D printed. Let me show you how to assemble this. Okay, every of these main support walls, I have installed one M4 inserts, threaded inserts. And next step is to install this nuts inside the slots there, inside. For this I have M6 bolts, a little bit smaller, so it will not go all the way down. So let's screw it in. Okay. Take it out. Okay. Well, start to move it up. Make sure the edge is looking at you. So now it's getting in. That's enough. Take it next hole. Well, okay, this part is printed without support, so the fit is a little bit snug. This is what I want. Last one. Okay. Done. Now we have to install two more inserts. I have this turnable insert to the profile 2020 profile, aluminum profile. So it will go in these square holes. Let me clean this a little bit. Well, a little more. Okay. That's right. Goes down. Too much. Okay. Check what's going on here.
Something is giving trouble here. Interesting. Let me remove this first. This thread inside is not another one. Yeah. Well, that's done. Can install these bolts as well. This one I will make one nice knob to make it easy turn by hands. Well, it's okay. Another one. Okay, got my file. Check it. Put one. Okay, probably using bolt is not the best idea, but yeah, we find something for a. Yep. Last question. Good. Good. I don't know, something always getting in trouble here. Come on. Can be maybe because the threads in plastic locking into threads in insert. Okay. Not learning from mistakes. Check again. What is this stuff about, huh? Oh well. Another one. Let's try again. Another direction. Okay. Very snuggy and stuck. I love it. Not nice.
1 hour later.
Okay, well, there's some trouble. The last one. Well done. Yeah, good enough. 2 more. Adjusting bolts. For this, by any means don't force it in. It's better to clean the hole before, if it's like tight, because the face of the thread or whatever tight fit of the plastic will not be same with insert, and then you just smash it. And if it's stuck inside, it's a big trouble. Okay. Well done. So next step, I have my 8mm rod. Yeah. Then this is here. This is here. So this is the 3 holes for extra support. I didn't print it, and it's not actually necessary so much. So this rod will go here, and the arm will go like this. So first part, first side, install. My rod's a little bit longer. I want it this way. Actually, I have it cut it before for something else, so it's this, like this. Yeah. So we'll go here. Next one, 2 inserts here and here. Then roller. So this roller is prefabricated. I purchased from Taobao actually, but I will give a link for AliExpress. The diameter is 33 millimeter. 33 millimeter, please. 0. 33 millimeter, and shaft is 12. So goes inside. Before we fix it from both sides, the shaft, the roller should go in. Okay, now I can put the second arm here. So it's going to be this way. For inside holes for the walls or for this main supports, I made it rim, so 8 millimeter here, so it is free inside. But for arms, I like more snuggy fit. If you rim it, you have to use super glue or something. Then disassembly is a headache. Okay, maybe I can do this way. Okay. Done. Okay, I will fix this to the base now, so it's easy to install any other parts. I have holes pre-drilled already because, you know, this is not first time. Yeah, this is last iteration in here. Yeah, you have to make sure this is geometrically correct, then you don't have trouble with all this excess. To find it. Okay, I had to make a break, but so we started from where we finished last time. Yeah, the longer arms are installed. Now you can put the shaft inside like this. Done. Now it's working in this direction. Well, let's fix the handle. It goes in. Can keep this with extra force. good. Too tight, little maybe. Okay. All good. Okay, now the small arms goes here and there. First install this way. Side. And this one. Good. So when I will push it down, it will lift the pressure. Let's see how it works in real life. This is just first time I do this setup this way. Well, next one is the springs installation. So, spring bolts. Okay, this maybe it has to be that side, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now the first spring goes. I have 2mm small shaft to keep this in here. Yep. Good. And fix this here. Good. Where's my small spring here? Another one. And this side here. This springs, this actually only what I have, but I don't like it too much because it's a little too soft. So something like this. And because it's soft, I have another one to install in this side to reinforce this. When I have the bigger one or stronger one, maybe I replace this. Maybe not. Okay. Okay. Yay, working. Well, then we need to make this pressure one here. We'll push the leather towards our roller. See you in a moment. Okay, well, I need to make the pressure. So I have here 3mm stainless steel rod and has to be bent a couple of times. So we have this. I have tried first time already. Not exactly the size I have to. I believe 5 mm need to give the space for bending. So now it's going to be this way, and I need to bend it here, like this. So let's do this in position. I see this is like 5 mm. Tight it up. Okay, now bending. Well, let's see. The size of this turn has to be 30. Let's see. Yeah, it's 30. I believe 5 mm is correct for this setup. Well, so this is this way now. This way. So now next bend is this direction, and it has to be 22. There's my pencil. This, and it has to be this way. Always on me. Okay. So you can hit it and play all around with this hit and wait. I don't want this. So just okay. Well, let's check. Yeah, it's about 22. Well, quite happy. Now the size is what we have now. We have something like this already complete. Next size is 192. 192. This first time I'm doing this for this setup, not bending of course, but yeah. So everything can happen. Anything. Five. A little bigger. Actually, it's supposed to be other direction, yeah, because we are now in opposite. 192. It's not 192. Yeah, let's say that. Okay, we bend it back. Okay, not too bad. It has to be down 5 millimeter now. Inside. Okay, wait. Maybe I fix it a little more. Okay. Actually, we can go one direction this one. Well. It's up. That's okay. Think twice, maybe more, and then do. This is the one. Wow, this is good now. Okay. Well, next size, I don't remember, 22 I think, yeah? Let me confirm. This small size is 22, yes. Okay, this is supposed to go opposite direction. Not enough seems. Yeah. Can I do this way? I don't like it. No good. Straight on the edge. Okay. Yeah, about that. Well, get in shape, huh? Wow. Okay, next size is 30 mm. Yes. Okay, we bent it 30. 30, 30, 30. Cannot see. Can see. So here on the middle of the road, and 30 is here. Well, this one goes this way. Good. Nice last bend seems, yeah? Okay. Little overbend, move back, gives a little bit sharper corner. Okay. Check it. This is 30. Beautiful. Close this. Another one. Have to cut. Make it longer here, so let's make it longer there also. So it's like 32. Keep it. Come on. Okay, not sure I can cut it by hands, but nobody said you cannot try. Okay, see that? Crappy. Use these things. Well, I have bigger. Whoops. Make a mark. Yeah, we did a mark. We made a mark. Hey! Done. Part is ready. Just fix some geometry a little bit. Good. We'll press like this, tick, tick. Well, this is our pressure rod. Go this way. Tack, tack, tack. So install here inside. You see, quite. Maybe clean this up more. Side isn't going. is not enough. Okay, wait a second. Stronger. Try again. Should go inside quite much. Actually. Okay. In this position, it has to be deep inside. So when we do, it will lift it up. Kinda. I think I have some iteration from others. I don't like this fit. Well, and this one. Let me try another one. Okay, I install it differently. This is 3 mm, so I clean the holes. Pretty much strong. Okay. Maybe not good idea, one by one. Should go same time. Okay, it's like this. Well, let me clean more. Okay. Same time, please. Okay, this way we push it, lift it. Yeah. Push, lift it. Push, lift it. Maybe a little bit deeper it is supposed to go, but this can be adjusted. Let me see later. Anyway, 2 more springs here. Yeah. Where are my springs? I have set of these things. A good set, but not for this. Not for this application. Mostly very soft springs here. Okay. Let's make this ear a little bit. Okay. Can go inside. I believe so. Okay. Clean this up a little. Well, system works. Another side. See a little, yeah? Okay. Don't cut to the end, then you can pull it from here easily. Yeah, something like this. This bends can be adjusted here, so yeah, it's working. I like this to be more close to this. Yeah, where is our spring? Let's put it. Okay, not too bad. This has to be fixed, seems. Okay. There can be stoppers here. Later I will make. Let's do the blade. Okay, I have my blade here. This is high-speed steel, 30mm, 250, and 3mm thick, and this is a 45 degree. It's sharpened. I used it before for this lock. I told you last iteration of this device. Because it's only 3mm, I have I glue this also high-speed steel blank to make it reinforce, but there's no idea. Idea is I have another blade, same, but this one is also same size, 250, but this one is 25. So it will go on top of this to keep it this way, and yeah, later I will do this. So it should be strong enough. 6mm combined. Well, the blade, from what I tried, it has to be less or more tangent to this roller. So means in the middle, or maybe a little bit backward. So these two bolts here, they are exactly meant to adjust this. So let's move them in. Something like this. Well, and here also. Yeah, I didn't mention this. This blade here has this grinded area because of this adjustment up and down for a roller. It is on the way. It is on the way of this. You have to make this way, huh? So this one goes in similar way, and we can tighten it. Okay, and where is our key? Here. It's small, not too much pressure. It will keep anyway strong enough. Slowly keep this equal pressure from both bolts. Well done. So our device assembled. Next we can test it. Well, let's test it. I fixed this with these clamps to the table so I can pull it more stronger. Charge my leather. Well, so the leather was about 2.5 and now 1.5, 1.7. So let's make it thinner. So six. 1.6. Let's try 1.5. Maybe in the beginning I help with my hand to push it up because springs are soft. So when it's bite, it's okay already. 1.5. Yeah, around there. Okay, some big piece. I fix this to the table. Let's try.
flip direction. About 1/4. About there.